Introducing the sleek and powerful 2023 Volkswagen T-Roc T-ROC STY 1.0 TSI M6F with 110 horsepower and only 25,000 kilometers on the clock. This stunning black beauty is fully loaded with features such as air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Rest assured knowing this vehicle has had a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on how you can drive away in style and luxury today.